Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and I'm so excited to partner with Woodpeckers Crafts to bring you a charming Mother's Day gift featuring their wooden heart gift tag. First step is to cut your favorite photograph in the shape of the wooden heart gift tag, then paint both sides of the wooden heart gift tag. Once the paint is dry, attach the photograph to the heart with craft glue. Then use your child's thumbprint and some ink to create a thumbprint heart on the other side. Add some gold paint to the edge of the heart for an elevated look. Create the keychain hole, then apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to both sides of the heart, making sure the thumbprint is fully dry. Place a jump ring through the hole and a key ring to create the keychain. Package and deliver this Mother's Day. Happy crafting!